And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, this is that pic of that blowing dust on US 31 at Kokomo from Joe Wamper. This was as the high winds from that severe thunderstorm were roaring right into Howard County, picking up the soil, the dust. We call it glacial flour in these glacial till soils that we find on the Tipton Till Plain. We call it in north central Indiana. And it was just blowing it to such a degree that visibility was near zero at times. All these fields have been planted and very little cover on them, so with them being drier there, wind gusts 50 to 60 miles an hour could pick up that dust and blow it a good distance away. And this is from Kaylee Dunham, who sent the picture of the gustnado. This was at her house, and this trampoline was staked down, and the storm still picked it up and tossed that thing. Again, this was south of Rossville, and that whole area, south of Rossville, Frankfort, all the way to Michigantown, had a wind gust of 59 near Michigantown. Even near Antioch and Reagan had a report of a wind gust of 60, and even trees and power lines down in southern Cass County. Tonight, a few showers, couple thunderstorms trying to come into our southeast, and we got a few out here in Illinois. However, there's an interesting feature. I want you to notice this little spin right here. There's a little spin coming right into Fountain County. This is called an MCV, basically. And an MCV is like a little small meso low. When you have so much rising air motion from intense severe thunderstorms, the pressure drops on the ground because the air is rising so much, so the air pressure will drop at the ground. And then in the spin of the earth, the Coriolis force will spin up a little mini low or a little vortex. And what's happened tonight, we've got one of these little MCVs coming into Fountain County. The pressure drops quickly with the MCV, but then once it pulls away, the pressure rises very fast. So we've got a little gradient of winds gusting up to 45 miles an hour here in eastern Illinois. So I think between about 11:30 and 1 a.m., this little pocket of gusts 30 to 45 will move eastward, and it's going to get pretty windy for a little bit in Benton, Warren, Fountain, Montgomery, and parts of Tippecanoe counties. And some of this may linger to Clinton County. Then my thoughts are the MCV will gradually weaken and those winds will back off a little bit. So right there, south-southeast 24 sustained at midnight. Then temperatures fall back to 62. A few showers very early in the morning, and then they're out of here, and we've got a pretty nice day ahead. And after lows tonight at 57 to 64, we are headed into the upper 70s to low 80s tomorrow. So we're going to drop a little bit more from the current numbers running in the mid to upper 60s. And there are those highs at 77 to 83 tomorrow, becoming mostly sunny, lower humidity, nice northwest wind blowing, 80 Frankfort, 82 Attica, upper 70s at Logansport. Low to mid 80s on Sunday, humid, windy, some scattered storms in the morning, then a break, a few storms in the afternoon, then a line of storms Sunday evening. Severe weather risk is on tap for Sunday between 1 p.m. and 1 a.m. It is enhanced for a lot of the area, or a 3 out of 5 on the scale. I think everybody's in enhanced eventually. We'll wait and see if there's a pocket of moderate risk, because some of the parameters certainly suggest that right now. And that's for Sunday. All right, so here we go. A few showers early in the morning, and then a nice Saturday. Note the afternoon is good, but then a few showers and storms Sunday morning with a warm front moving northward, and then some scattered kind of supercell type storms during the afternoon to very early evening, and then eventually a line of storms will race through, and we'll see the severe weather risk quell. But we're looking at maybe another 1 to 2 inches of rain for a good chunk of the area on Sunday. A couple spotty showers, windy Monday, a mix of clouds and sun, and then beautiful weather Tuesday, then right through next Monday. Look at those highs and lows, very comfortable with sunshine.